Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you two comfortable and very pretty casual wear items. And these items are available in our website. If you like to book any of this item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyatheCottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So without any delay, let me start showing you the items. The first item, it's a semi-tussar item. The full top has got a self-thread embroidery work. Okay, the full top has got a self-thread embroidery work, and you will be getting a dual shaded combination in this. Okay, so this is how the top will be. So in the upper part you will be getting brick red color, and in the lower portion you will be getting a grey color. This is how the top will be. The upper portion has got a dark brick red color, and the lower portion you will be getting a grey color, and this comes with a brick red color cotton bottom. Okay, and you will be getting a semi-tussar dupatta with a complete self-thread embroidery work. Okay, so this is a semi-tussar only, but gives you a feel like a pure tussar item. So this is how the set will be. Very beautiful and a very elegant item, and this is priced only for $9.90 with free shipping. Okay, in the upper portion you will be getting one color, and the lower portion you will be getting one color. Okay, so this is how the set looks. In this we have got almost 5 combinations. So this is brick red with green. The next one is red with green. Okay, so this is how the top will be. So this has got green color in the upper portion. Okay, so this is how the top will be. You will be getting green in the upper portion and red in the lower portion, and you will be getting the same color in the back portion from the top to bottom. Okay, so only in the front portion you will be getting a 2 color variation, but in the back portion you will be getting only 1 color. And this is the bottom. You will be getting a green color bottom with this pure cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this is a semi-tussar dupatta with a complete self-thread embroidery work. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this is priced only for $9.90 with free shipping. So the next is blue with the orange. Okay, so this is how the top will be. The full top has got a self-thread embroidery work. I hope you could see this. Okay, the full top, from the top to bottom you will be getting the self-thread embroidery work. Okay, so this is how the top will be. And you will be getting an orange colored bottom with this. This is the bottom you will be getting, and this is the dupatta. Very beautiful item, gives you a very elegant and a professional look when you stitch and wear it. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for $9.90 with free shipping. Okay, the next is a kind of a dark purplish maroon color. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a pale green color dupatta and bottom with this. So this is a very beautiful combination, very different combination actually. Okay, so this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a pale green color plain cotton bottom. Okay, the bottom will be plain, and the dupatta you will be getting a complete self-thread embroidery work. Okay, very lengthy dupatta this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for $9.90 with free shipping. All are very beautiful combinations, so don't miss it. And the next is peach with green color combination. This is how the top will be. Okay, this is how the top looks. You will be getting a dual combination in the front portion and same color in the back portion. Okay, and this comes with a dual shaded dupatta. Okay, this is the dupatta you will be getting. This is with this very lengthy dupatta this is, and you will be getting a contrast bottom. Priced only for $9.90 with free shipping. So this gives you a feel of a pure tussar item actually, but this is a semi-tussar only. But the feel will be like a pure tussar fabric, and this is red and black combination. You will be getting black in the upper portion and red in the lower portion, and this is the back portion. You will be getting a full red in the back portion. Okay, this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a dual shaded dupatta with this. Okay, beautiful dupatta you will be getting with this, and a black color plain bottom. Okay, this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 990 with free shipping. All the combination in this will be very good. All are very beautiful combinations. Okay, priced only for 990 with free shipping. It's a semi-tussar top with a semi-tussar dupatta and a cotton bottom, priced only for 990. Let me move on to the next item. Next item is a linen cotton item. Okay, so you will be getting a beautiful thread embroidery work in the yoke portion. Okay, so all these are complete machine embroidery work. You will be getting only in the yoke portion, remaining everything will be plain actually. The fabric is linen cotton. Okay, I hope you could see the fabric quality also. It's a very comfortable linen cotton fabric. So this is how the top will be. So this is a kind of a light purple color linen cotton top with a beautiful thread embroidery work coming only in the yoke portion, remaining everything will be plain. And this comes with a plain dark navy blue color cotton silk bottom. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a dark navy blue color soft silk dupatta with a beautiful thread embroidery works. Okay, this is a soft silk cotton dupatta, so it will be very comfortable to wear. This is how the set looks. Light purple with dark navy blue color combination. It's a linen cotton top with a soft silk dupatta and a contrast cotton silk bottom, priced only for 975 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 combinations. So this is light purple with navy blue color combination. So the next is golden brown with maroon color combination. This is how the yoke portion will be. Also complete embroidery work, and this is the body color. It's a dark golden brown, and you will be getting a maroon color thread embroidery work. Okay, so this is how the top will be. Okay, and you will be getting a contrast cotton silk bottom, maroon color bottom with this, and this is the dupatta. Very comfortable dupatta this is, and also very lengthy dupatta also. Again, this is very suitable for office wears. Okay, this is how the set looks. Very different combination, priced only for 975 with free shipping. So next is black with grey, beautiful combination this is. It's a black color body portion, and you will be getting a grey color thread embroidery work. Only in the yoke portion, remaining everything will be plain. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a linen cotton top with a beautiful thread embroidery work, and you will be getting a contrast cotton silk bottom with this. Okay, and this is the dupatta, beautifully embroidered. The full dupatta has got a kind of a triangle embroidery work. Okay, full dupatta has got this type of embroidery. This is how the dupatta will be. Very lengthy dupatta, priced only for 975 with free shipping. So the next is grey with black. You will be getting grey in the body portion, and you will be getting a black color thread embroidery work. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a linen cotton top with a beautiful thread embroidery work, and you will be getting a black color contrast cotton silk bottom, and this is the dupatta. A beautiful and a very comfortable, very elegant dupatta this is. Okay, this is how the set is. So this set is priced only for 975 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you. I'll meet you all tomorrow with the new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye all.